Hey guys, Gian here of Gadget Pilipinas. So, a few days ago, we went to this event by Oppo where they showcased 3 of their latest products. You'll hear more about these and where and how you can buy this April 24. But just to let you know, these are the Oppo Find N6. They have the Oppo Find X9 Ultra and also the Oppo Find X9s. Let me give first information about the Oppo Find N6. Very brief information lang. No? This is their latest foldable flagship, and this was actually announced last month. No? If you unfold this, 8.12-inch lang itong device na ito, and this is the device na almost zero crease. I'm saying almost kasi kahit paano meron pa rin naman, but it's compared to other foldables I've seen in the past, no, mas kaunti, as in sobrang kaunti. It is powered by Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, and it has 16 gigs of RAM, and also it has 200 megapixels Hasselblad-tuned na primary sensor with 6,000 mAh battery. I can't say much because there's too much of them, and I cannot wait to show you guys what this can do. No? More information will be revealed this April 24, especially here in the Philippine market. Now, isa naman is the Oppo Find X9 Ultra. If there's one thing that they wish to actually remove from the lineup is the ability or the need, no, requirement for you to attach lenses. But no, they still do have it here, no. But the good thing about this is that it's optional. Kahit wala yon, pwede mo magamit itong flagship smartphone ito. The Oppo Find X9 Ultra has a 6.2-inch QHD Plus flexible AMOLED display, powered also by Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, and just like the one on the Oppo Find N6, meron din ito na 200 megapixels na sensor. It can go as much as 120 times digital zoom, and yes, no, in terms of battery, 7,000 milliamperes of battery. I can't say much as well because I have not actually fiddled through and experienced the phone too much, but we already requested for a unit for us to feature and review in this channel. And last but not the least, meron sila na Oppo Find X9s. Now, the Oppo Find X9s naman is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 8500 with 12 gigs of RAM. And from the looks of it, this actually sits a little bit below than the Oppo Find X9, which we featured last year. And this one will appeal to those who wish to buy the Oppo Find X9 pero yung budget nila medyo short, so they can resort to getting this one. You're getting a little bit lower in terms of processor and capability of the processor, but you still get really good performance in terms of camera. This one has 50 megapixel sensors, and it does have also Hasselblad color calibration if you're into that. Pero ang pinaka-shocker dito is ito ay merong 10,000 na milliampere battery with 80 watts wired and 50 watts na wireless charging. More will be revealed this April 24, and I cannot wait to really experience all these 3 phones by Oppo. What do you guys think about these new devices by Oppo? Appealing ba para sa inyo? No, ito ba is something that you guys would love to get? And how about the price? No, would you be able to give us your guesses about the prices of these devices? Let me know in the comment section down below.